I'm Alex Levenser, Head of Growth at DataStax. I'm here with Lydia and Philippe from Wikimedia, talking about some of the interesting work we're doing with the DataStax AI platform.
Wikidata is a project by Wikimedia. It's a sister project of Wikipedia. And it's a knowledge graph that is edited by more than 24,000 people every month. So Wikidata is all about data, whereas Wikipedia is all about text, right? So Wikipedia is meant for humans to read it, while Wikidata is much more for machines to read it, so that people like us can build tools on top of that data for the world.
I'd love to understand why you're working with DataStax, what you had in mind for the next generation of Wikidata search.
Right. So Wikidata has been used in a ton of AI applications before, but now we're in this generative AI, large language model world, and Wikidata's data is really beneficial in this context as well, because it brings verifiable data that is maintained by a community and the world to these large language models and generative AI. And working with DataStax has been really helpful there because we've been able to prototype really quickly how that could look like.
The vector database is on top of Wikidata, which is a graph database, and it's comprised of over 140 million entities and supports over 300 languages. So the process that's for the ingestion is basically we're taking all these entities, and per entity we're going through the graph and collecting all the information that is connected to each of the entities, aggregating all this information and transforming this information into like a textual representation. After doing that, with the support of the DataStax platform, we transform the text into embeddings and we push them to the vector database. We first started like trying a solution that is local using an embedding model on our machines.
Sure.
It was taking around like 30 days to be able to embed around 10 million items. But with the support of DataStax and the platform that they provide, the time went from like 30 days to 3 days. Well, to be able to evaluate our vector database, we needed like a data set that has user questions or queries that are also connected to Wikidata entities. So if we have that, we are able to query the vector database and compare the list from the database to the ground truth list and check if they match or if they don't. It's been amazing to work with DataStax. The team has been very collaborative. The platform that has been provided that is super efficient and scalable that allowed us to produce this vector database, and without the support of DataStax, we wouldn't be able to handle all these edits. DataStax has been pushing for a lot of solutions, state-of-the-art technology to like improve the search, create GraphRag. So it's been amazing to work with DataStax and be able to benefit from all these solutions.